Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the Google Docs text to normal size. Is your Google Docs zoom in or out weirdly and you just want it back to normal? You don't need to worry. In this easy guide, I'll show you how you can fix your Google Docs view so it looks just right again. As you guys can see here, the text looks too tiny on my docs. So to check it or to fix it, the first thing that you can do is to check the zoom settings on your browser and also on the Google Docs. On the Google Docs, it's already say 100%, so it's not a problem. But here on the browser, when you click on this, you can see that my size is 50%, so you can change it into a bigger one if you want to make the text bigger by clicking on this plus icon, just like this. You can also do a click on this control button on your keyboard and also just use the mouse on your PC. You can just scroll up to zoom in or scroll down to zoom out. And you can also check for this zoom on the Google Docs itself. If it's too big, for example, like this, you can change it into the size that you want. And step 3, you can also set the check the page setup or do the page setup reset. So if your margins or page view look off, you can go to file in here. I'm going to make it bigger first. So go to file and go to the page setup. And make sure that the paper size is here later. Okay, it's already right. And the margins are default. So if your docs looks like one long scroll, you can turn on the print layout from the view menu. This one we already done, so it's I don't have to click on this. And that's it. So your Google Docs should be back to normal. Don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment if this saved you. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.